to our channel. Today, we are covering the questions and answer on Palo Alto Certified Network Security Engineer Certification PCNSE. To find the complete list of questions and answer, please go to the playlist link provided in the description. Our team is working hard to keep the content up to date. If you find this video helpful, please let us know in the comment section. We really appreciate if you like and subscribe to our channel. Now, the question is, an administrator pushes a new configuration from Panorama to a pair of firewalls that are configured as an active or passive HA pair. Which NGFW receives the configuration from Panorama? Options are Option A, the passive firewall, which then synchronizes to the active firewall. Option B, the active firewall, which then synchronizes to the passive firewall. Option C, both the active and passive firewalls, which then synchronize with each other. Option D, both the active and passive firewalls independently with no synchronization afterward. The correct option is option D. Move to next question. An administrator cannot see any traffic logs from the Palo Alto Network's NGFW in Panorama reports. The configuration problem seems to be on the firewall, which settings, if configured incorrectly, most likely would stop only traffic logs from being sent from the firewall to Panorama. Please go through this. The correct option is option B. Next question is when configuring a global protect portal, what is the purpose of specifying an authentication profile? Options are Option A, to enable gateway authentication to the portal. Option B, to enable portal authentication to the gateway. Option C, to enable user authentication to the portal. And option D, to enable client machine authentication to the portal. The correct option is option C. Next question is, if a temple stack is assigned to a device and the stack includes 3 templates with overlapping settings, which settings are published to the device when the template stack is pushed? Options are Option A, the settings assigned to the template that is on top of the stack. Option B, the administrator will be promoted to choose the settings for that chosen firewall. Option C, all the settings configured in all templates. And option D, depending on the firewall location, Panorama decides which settings to send. The correct option is option A. Next question is, which method will dynamically register tags on the Palo Alto Network's NGFW? Options are Option A, RESTful API or the VMware API on the firewall or on the user ID agent or the ready-only domain controller RODC. Option B, RESTful API or the VMware API on the firewall or on the user ID agent. Option C, XML API or the VMware API on the firewall or on the user ID agent or the CLI. And option D, XML API or the VM monitoring agent on the NGFW or on the user ID agent. The correct option is option D. Thank you.